Okay, this now is page 3. So question 6, you are asked to solve the simultaneous equation. Simultaneous means you have to find an answer that fit these two equations at the same time. So you can use any method. For me, I would like to use let's say elimination. So I will do it in this way. First of all, the equation 1 times 2. So what do I have? Equation 1 times 2, which means I have 2x plus 4y and 16. And I call it as, let's say, equation 3. And then equation 3. Now please minus equation 2. So this is semicolon. It's not equal sign, it's semicolon. So when I have this one, 3 minus 2, what do I get? The x will cancel out. While the y, 4y minus 1y, I have 3y. Well, 16 minus 1, 15. So y equal to 15. Sorry, y equal to 5. And then when you put y equal to 5, so in fact you can see that from the answer there's only one y equal to 5, but of course we want to check whether if I have the correct answer. So let's put y equal to 5 into, let's say, equation 2. So 2x plus 5 equal to 1, which means 2x is equal to negative 4, because 1 minus 5, and x should be equal to negative 2. Well, correct. This is A. Okay, for question 8, you have to change subject. So for this question, when you're going to change subject, first of all, locate where is the x. Your first task, you have to put all the x on one side, and other thing without x on the another side. So let's do it now. So let's put the y, this qy, and also minus sy, put it another side. So I have plus sy and minus qy. And now what should I do? Because I want to have the x as the subject, which means I only need x. I do not need others. So let's factorize it. And then what do I get? Should be sy minus qy divided p minus r. So let's see if I get similar answer. So this or this, it should be D. Just because they even factorize for the y. So in fact they're exactly the same. When you yes, so the answer should be D, this one. Okay, for question 9, this is many words. So you're asked which of the following about formula E equal to mc squared must be true. So first of all, you see a word subject. What does it mean, subject? Subject means, for example, let's have an example. For example, x equal to y plus 5, and we call this as the subject. What equal to what? It is a subject. Just like this one. When you make x is a subject, which means x equal to what? X equal to what? So in this case, the subject should be E. should be E. So obviously this is wrong and this is true. And the third one, variables. Variable means number that can be changed. Number that can be changed. In Chinese we call it as 变数. Can be changed here. Well, in fact, these all number can be changed. It is not a fixed number. It is not constant. Constant means this fixed number. This fixed number. Well, these all number, I mean EMC, it can be changed, right? So the answer should be C. C. Well, some of you may going to argue about C. Well, for here, because we are testing mathematics, so ignore the speed of light. So just take it as a variable C. How about this question? Question 10. Question 10. Which of following about this must be true? The first equation is first statement is correct. Infinite means there's countless, beyond counting. Infinity, many solution. Why? Because for example, there's no any fixed answer. As long as x and y they fulfill this equation, it could be correct. For example, when let's say x equal to 4, then y would be equal to 5. When x equal to 2, then y will equal to 6. So as you can see, there's a lot infinity solution. So this is correct. This is not fixed equation, not fixed solution. So for this one, the second one, is this pass through 2, 6? Well, of course. I'll just show you. Pass through this point. So also correct. And the last one. Okay. Let's check it. Is this equation intersect y-axis at 0, 7? So obviously, you can just put this point into the equation here. So 0 when y equal to 7, so it is equal to 14. The left hand side is equal to 14, and which is equal to right hand side. So which means that this is also correct. This intersect means meet. Y-axis, what does it mean, y-axis? Do you remember? Recall, we have this one, this thing. We call this line is called the y-axis. We call this is the y-axis. Well, obviously, so this would be the x-axis. A very interesting point is y-axis is when x is the line same as x equal to 0. It is a vertical line. While x-axis is when y equal to 0, the horizontal line. Okay, which means that this equation, this is all of them are correct. So the answer should be dot.